Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Professor Lin. Today, I will introduce this topic as you can see in the PPT. And I'm number 29, He Yusheng. This is the study from University of Arizona in America. Stroke survivors, as we know, may have many accidents in their daily life. The worst of accidents, falling down, is critical because it may happen when stroke survivor is alone and may not be rescued immediately and probably be dead. So here is the question: why stroke survivors fall down so often? Most of us may say, well, they are stroke survivors, as you know. They don't have adequate muscular strength. However, that is incorrect. Today, in this paper, study will tell us that if we want to reduce fall-related events, we should teach stroke survivors how to balance their balance and rather than increase muscular strength only. And the Taiji can help them to do this. So here we go. Our objectives are very clear. First, we want to see if a 12-week Taiji intervention can help stroke survivors or not. Second, we want to reduce fall-related events among stroke survivors. And you will see fitness program to increase their muscle may not be the best answer. So we come to the method. The scholars in University of Arizona screened about 400 participants into 145 in recruitment. They put on some conditions, as you can see in the right column. For example, all participants have to be over 50 years old. That will exclude some variations and make the baseline assessment. Then the 145 participants go randomly into 3 different groups. The one is Taiji group, the second is Silver Sneakers group, the third is Usual Care group as a control group. The Silver Sneakers means SS. That is a well-certified, well-known fitness program in America. Its feature is that it's specially designed for elderly people with chronic disease. Elderly people, as we know, may have many chronic diseases, such as DM, heart disease, and COPD. So for those elderly, if they want to do some exercise, the specially designed program is needed. In this case, SS means the special designed program for stroke survivors. And then, after the selections, participants have work to do. If you are in TC group, your assignment is 1 hour Yang style 24 postural stroke class Taiji 3 times per week. These lessons are all taught by a very experienced coach with 30 years experience. And if you are in SS group, the National Fitness Program will provide 10 minutes workout, 40 minutes SS menu, and 10 minutes cool down periods. The menu include yoga and water loft resistant walking. That will put the participant into the pool and training how to work. And all I want to focus is that the SS only to do the muscular strength increase. And in the control group, the participant will receive written material to teach them or to inform them their activity in their community, and we welcome to them to join. This written material just means that for the join, for the fun, not for training. So that will give the participant mental support, but they will not increase their muscular strength, and then they will be taught how to balance their body. Okay. So what we should know about the experiment is there are totally 123 fall-related events just happened. Remember, we have 145 participants in this experiment. Well, that was very much, okay. Same. And all these fall-related events just happened at home. Nobody get hurt in the process. This experiment will focus on this. So if they fall, that will not the reason of the experiment, okay? So, and the second, all the participants don't have any cognitive impairments. To make sure this experiment can be conducted smoothly. And here are some parameters we use to evaluate the quality of life in stroke survivors. The CSD-D is the most wild used the parameter to evaluate the depressed symptoms in stroke survivors. If the score goes high, that means the participant is more depressed, and the PSQI is similar. The Pittsburgh Sleep Quality Index, if the score goes high, that means the participant don't have sleep worse, they don't sleep good. And the other two parameters are used to evaluate the physical function in stroke survivors. So here is the result. Amazing, you can see. The TC group has only 5 fail downs, and the SS, the fitness program, have 14 fail downs, and the usual care have 15. Ironically, the SS group just have slight contribution to the stroke survivors. So that just corresponds to what I said before. If you want to help stroke survivors, you have to teach them how to balance their body rather than increase their muscular strength only. So the Taiji 12-week intervention can help them to do this. And you can see the near falls number. Well, the TC group have the highest near falls number, but that's what we want it happen. We want the stroke survivor balance their body immediately before they truly face down, right? That we all agree about this. That means we teach them how to balance body. That's the TC group's work, okay. And you can see the total falls. The Taiji group is still the lowest number, okay, 37 here. And here comes the result, another about a parameter to evaluate the quality of life in stroke survivors. We just talk about the PSQI and the CSD. You can see the PSI go higher. That's not what we desire about the detection. That means the SS, physical therapy, increase the mental stress in stroke survivors, so they don't sleep well, and they are going more depressed, CSD, as you can see here. And about physical functions, you can see all Taiji group, both Taiji group and the SS group increase their muscle strength. So our conclusion is that the TC and SS all can lead to improve aerobic endurance, and both are suitable community-based programs. And the second, the 12 Taiji intervention was more effective in reducing fall relays than SS and the UC intervention. And third, Taiji is a fall prevention strategy for community during stroke survivors. And thanks for your attention.